Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how do we backtest any particular stock or ETF like with the use of AI tools. So we'll take the help of Claude AI today to extract the data first. So when we open, as you can see on the screen, I've already pasted the prompt, which I have already, you can find it in the description also. You have to simply write that give me code to download GoldBees from 1st of January 2016 to 18th of March 2026. Historical data from Y Finance library into an Excel sheet in CSV format. Define time using time data function. So as you can paste it and enter it, you will find this entire Python code which is given by Claude AI. So you need not write or extract anything. Everything will be given in the description. So as you can see this Python code, you have to simply copy this entire code which is given by the Claude AI. Is you when you click on copy, you have to go to Google Colab. Now, what does the Google Colab does is like when you paste this code, I'll opening this Google Colab. I have pasted here, and you can run it on clicking on run all command. I have already done this, so I'll click on that. What is the outcome? So once you complete this run all activity, you have to go to simply files option and you will find this outcome like GoldBees historical data. Here you can do this download or extraction, and I can show you this how the data looks like. Now this file is opening. So as you can see on the screen, the GoldBees close price, high, open, low, and volume. So this is the simple data of 1st January 2016, starting from that to 2026. Why we are doing this, I will explain it later. But as of now, you have to just simply remember that you need to extract the data to analyze that. So how we are extracting that data, that I already explained. Using the Claude, you have to take the Python code with the use of help of Claude, and then you have to put it in the Google Colab. So this is what the data extraction activity is. Now coming into the next part, that is very important part. Extracted the data from the Google Colab library. We will again open the Claude AI and put that CSV file by clicking on Add Files. As you can see on the option, you can find that add a files and then put this GoldBees file. And now this is very important prompt which we have written that saying that take the past 10 years of historical data and consider the values from first of every month to as a start date and last of that respective month for each year. Why we are doing this? We are giving the prompt to Claude AI that we want to analyze in which particular month, like we are doing this backtesting strategy for seasoning purpose. Like out of last 10 years, which of these all 10 Januaries month of every year, or which of these 10 February months are profitable for this particular. Suppose if I've taken the trade buying of GoldBees on first of that particular month and sold on the end date of that particular respective month, and every time if I've done this particular back testing or strategy applied for each and every month, how we are generating that, I'll show that outcome as well. So right now this is the prompt which I have simply written on. As you can see, the buy signal is first of every month and sell signal last day of that month from the above, and we are using that particular capital as 5 lakh rupees. This is a one example. You can put it as 1 lakh also, 50,000 also. Depending on the value, it will derive the outcome, whatever the proportionately. I mean, whatever the percentage that return you are getting it, that also it will define. So as we can see this, I have already pasted. Now coming on to the next slide, this is what the outcome is. Verdict is like strategy is profitable. 5 lakh rupees will become 12.3 lakh rupees. That's a total return from 2016 to 2026 is 145.94%, and the CAGR is 9.22%. This is one particular strategy which is applied, as you can see, and it will show analyze also like which are the best months, because our purpose was to find the best months. Now surprisingly, the month which is going to come next month, that's April, GoldBees strategy has got the 100% winning rate, and the average return of that particular month is 3.19%. Imagine one particular month, and like looking at the current scenario, the gold is like fluctuating so much. But the interesting fact or data says that April month gold bees are never lost. I mean, whatever the if you're buying from the first day of April and selling it on the last day of April, the data reflects that the strategy is having 100% winning rate with the average return of 3.19%. Second best is January, it is giving the 2.62%, and the third best is October. It is 2.33%. So these are some of the percentage average return. I will show you because there is one more important aspect, that is how do we see this particular data in the form of dashboard. There are many people who always want to see the data because it reflects very attractive and it is easier to understand. So we have generated the dashboard also. I will show you that one also. As we have already given that prompt in that last fourth point, that give the list of each trade, also mention the number of trades, profitable trades, and so and so. And now in the end, show me in detail a dashboard, the list of trades, equity curve, strategy stats, and pros and cons of this strategy, and possible ways of improving it. Let me know also if that strategy is profitable and how much profit and or loss was made in both absolute and percentage returns. So we in the initial prompt only, like when we uploaded that Excel sheet, we gave that also, like give me the dashboard comprising of these all details. So now we will simply go, because I already run this command, and as you can see, as we saw that particular data table, at the bottom you can see here the download option, the GoldBees monthly dashboard, right? So and the monthly strategy. So you can find it in both Excel sheet also and the dashboard. So let me show you that straight away, how the dashboard looks like. So as I can open, now we can see this GoldBees ETF, like monthly seasonality strategy, all 12 months, 10 years, the trade is profitable. Now the total profit, which is close to 7.29 lakhs. And if I can see the monthly heat map, this is very important. If any particular person wants to analyze, like January has given how much returns on an average basis. February, March, and so till December. So as I can see, it is giving that title kind of thing, king, crown kind of thing. It reflects that April is never lost, and that's the best month. So 3.19% is the average return. So we have taken that initial capital of 5 lakhs, right? So 5 lakhs has become 12.3 lakhs. The journey from 2016, how the price has gone up, like 2020, then straight away till 2026, how the 12.3 lakhs has become from the 5 lakhs. So it is reflecting that curve also. So this is very nice thing. You can easily understand that how your trade is going to happen. I mean, profitability, how it is going to increase and how it will be there over the time. This is a back tested data. Now you can see the 10-year profit and loss by month. As we can see, the April is being the highest one, right? January is the second highest, which is the loss kind of thing. It's very important to also understand that which are the months in which you cannot afford to take any trade. Where this we can see the data speaks clearly that May and June are not very good, and November is straight away bad. Like this is giving the negative trade. This is what the impacts, like the machine and algos also take the help or take this such kind of data, and they have that all the commands straight away built in their processors. So this is what the data is. Again, this is giving the month-wise ranking also. As you can see, April 10 out of 10 wins. This is 100%. This is very rare phenomenon. Like you will not find any particular ETF or company like performing every time 100% in 10 particular last years. As April has shown, the data, again, the disclaimer is like you can take the trade by your own. The risk and reward is with you only. I'm not any advising any you all people to take any trade or anything. This is what the data says. You can analyze. This is what my purpose is, like to make you aware, and you can generate by your own also by practicing this particular strategy with use of this data for any particular company, and you can analyze and go further. All 120 trades also it has given, like the 1st January to 2016, what was the price, and the last day of that particular month what was the price, and whether it was profitable or not. Like that, it has done all 120 iterations, and this is a very beautiful thing. Like in specific month also, if you want to analyze the data, it is giving the result also, win or loss, right? So 120 months, as we can see, the last particular month is our data is 2025 December. So is, as we can see, the winning and losing rate and the amounts and everything, it's being reflected. Now the important part coming here is why this gold has a seasonal pattern, key demand drivers. It is also analyzing the data and giving in the form of very insightful things like the festival and wedding season, October to January. Because that's the seasonal pattern. But again, we have seen that November is losing month. So we have to be very cautious. But Indian context, it is giving the insights, currency and inflation hedge, global safe haven flows. Uh, Coming on to the why this strategy always works. Gold secular bull run, GoldBees rose from 22 to 128, 480% over the 10 years, driven by the INR depreciation, RBI gold purchases, and global uncertainty. The monthly strategy naturally captures this drift. April is the perfect month, 100% winning rate, right? Across 10 years, every single April trade was profitable. New financial institution rebalancing, gold loan demand peak, and inflation hedging create a structural April edge. So why April is particularly having the profitable trade always is giving the reasons also. There are some limitations also, like as we can see, November is very consistently weak month, and that's having only 40% winning rate. Uh, as now you can understand, like people are buying in the month of November, but what does the data says? Data says that November is the very weak month, so you should be buying here after analyzing this particular analysis or understanding this. And now it is also giving that particular strategy that how do we improve this. Speaking the November systematically, as I already explained clearly, that compound the running capital. We have taken the capital every time 5 lakhs, but as the profit, you can combine the profit also with the principal and put it along with it as a combined principal for the next time. So if you do that, then the returns will be again 3 to 4 times higher. I mean, profit will be 3 to 4x higher than the absolute profit. Overweight April and October. Now you can combine 2 months also, like April and the next best is October. So your risk reward will be higher. So I have done one more exercise for you people that I have taken the 4 best months. This particular strategy, and how do we this, as again we see 7.29 is the total profit, right, on the capital of 5 lakhs. So total final capital will be 12.29. Now out of this particular months, if I take only the best months like April, October, January, and December. If I take these 4 months and if I analyze that, let's say I will take this particular strategy buying and selling, and on particular months only, let's say 4 months out of this any particular year, then how does the data looks like? So I will show that one also, as we have done this particular thing also for 4 months. We have back tested this data. Now you can see out of 12 lakhs, approximately uh, like 4 point sorry 5 our 7.29 lakhs, out of that particular profit, 4.84 lakhs profit is particular from this 4 months only. The reasons are like simply January is New Year rally, April is golden month, October is festive season, and December is year end bind. And we can see the capital is more preserved, and it's more profitable as compared to the previous one, because the profitable strategy is 85% winning rate, right? So your probability of winning it for this particular GoldBees analysis for 4 months, you can buy it and sell it on the particular months, specific months. The months are like January, April, October, and December. So these are the 4 months which you can take it, and as you can see, all 40 trades of those particular 4 months for 10 years are visible here on the screen. And this combo is why is Elite is already explained. You can watch it again and take this particular all the analysis. Trade-offs to consider and further optimizations also. This is how the people are doing it, like the data analysis and taking the particular help of AI tools to generate the maximum profit and the risk reward strategy, as you can see. So this is what from my side. I hope this content is helpful to you all people. If you are feeling it that this such type of analysis is required, I'll be keeping I'll putting this such type of contents for the next videos also. But please do subscribe, like, and share with your colleagues so that we also get motivated and will keep such kind of content for the next time. And we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Till then, thank you.